Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset a Candy washing machine. So let's get started. First, turn off the machine by pressing the power button. Over here, unplug it from the wall socket and wait for about 1-2 minutes. After that, plug it back in and turn the machine on again. Then select a short wash program like Rinse or Spin to clear the previous cycle and reset the washer. If you have a newer model like Candy Smart, Rapido, or Grandovita, turn off the machine first. Then press and hold the Start Pause button for about 5 seconds. After that, turn the dial to the off position and then turn the machine back on. If your washer is stuck mid-cycle, turn the dial to Drain or Spin. Let it complete the cycle to remove any remaining water, then perform the basic power reset again. After resetting, reselect your preferred wash cycle. If an error code reappears, check the filter, drain hose, or water inlet for any blockages. And avoid turning the dial mid-cycle or unplugging while it's spinning, as it can cause errors. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.